this wasn't there before. Welcome, my name is Danny and this is my single turbo BMW 335i. Now here's the thing, recently on the channel, we built my girlfriend her own BMW 335i. Now that's great and all, but it is considerably cooler than mine. That was not the goal, and because of that, there has been a lot of imbalance in our relationship.
Yo, go make me a sandwich. Dude, let's go. I'm leaving in 5 minutes.
But today's the day of that changes. There's something I have that she does not have, and that is a big old single turbo setup. N54 with a single turbo setup is already probably the greatest sounding BMW, and that is right, folks. I have a two-step plan that's gonna take this car from honestly being a little boring to the greatest sounding BMW ever. Let's go. Step 1 to making this car the greatest sounding BMW of all time, it is to take out this turbo and make it sound even crazier. Now you may be wondering, what does he mean by that? Let me tell you. We're shipping out the turbo to a company called T51R so they could do the T51R mod, and hopefully the turbo is gonna sound something or better than this. Something like that. Probably better actually. So as we come down here, as you can see, we were involved in a very annoying hit and run. It was dark Saturday night. I went to the movies with Cristobal, parked the car, watched the movie. On Monday, when I drove the car to go to the gym, I came out and well, look at that. Very unfortunate and nothing really I can do. Step 1 is pretty much done. Take out the turbo. Step 2, we need a box. And we're shipping it out to T51R. This car is going to sound like a literal jet engine. Basically how it works is I believe they modified the compressor housing so this becomes a little bit bigger, I think, and it creates a noise that you have never heard before. And just like that, huge thank you to T51R for getting the package back to us so quickly. And I know it's nighttime and the camera's angled this way because right there is the craziest thing I've ever done, and the next project for the channel, which should be the next video, so you definitely don't want to miss that. W packaging. And for this side, I'm not gonna act like I exactly know how it works, but I do see this wasn't there before, and this has like grooves in it. Enough talking, I'm gonna put this on the car and then onto stage 2. Listen up, the holiday season is approaching and the NFL season is staying strong. Probably watching the NFL with your dad, your uncle, your mom, your grandma, your dog. And let me tell you how you guys can get some skin in the game. And that is with today's sponsor and an official partner of the NFL, DraftKings Sportsbook. Okay, let me say this quietly because it's kind of crazy. When you bet $5, you'll instantly get $150 in bonus bets. It's nuts. Real quick, this is the important part. If you're wondering how you can do that, link will be in the top of the description, or go ahead and download DraftKings Sportsbook app. Use code DANNYZ when signing up for that special offer. The link will also be pinned in the top of the comment section. And let's say you're already a DraftKings customer, like me. You can actually get a no sweat bet, which means if for some reason your parlay doesn't hit, you get a bonus bet back. Let's go, baby. With that being said, thank you so much to DraftKings Sportsbook for sponsoring this video and making it possible. Like I said, link will be in the top of the description. Download the DraftKings Sportsbook app. Use code DANNYZ when signing up. Bet $5 and instantly get $150 in bonus bets. It doesn't get better than that.
That sounds so good.
Oh my gosh.
I want one.
It's like a wine, like wee.
Of a passive aggressive, we black men with a passion.
That thing sounds crazy. That was crazy. Now we gotta do one of your cars. No, you're not gonna get single turbo. If this video gets 8,000 likes, I will single turbo your car without you knowing. I mean, Doesn't make sense. Do it, and I will. The turbo sounds incredible and all, but we're not done yet. Stage 2 is the exhaust. And to achieve just that, we're driving over 3.5 hours to the destination. That's gonna help us achieve our aggressive goal. Now, of course, we also did get stuck in traffic, but you might be thinking, Danny, are you just driving an hour away or 3.5 hours away for a cool exhaust? No, this was very special. And we're also picking up a 67-inch wang for a build you're gonna see very, very soon on this channel. What do you think about that, Kiefer?
It better sound good for 3 hours of driving.
Trust me. And of course, it's a Danny Z video, so then this happened. Yeah, bro, the car's acting weird.
What happened?
I don't know. Yep, perfect. Did you see that?
Bro, what's going on, man?
There's no check engine light, no nothing. This sucks. The fact that we're not even close to being home, I don't know. Super annoying, but I guess we're just trying to.
Who's this guy? What the? You know this guy?
That's a badass Beamer you got there, man. Dude, you too, bro. Everything good with the car? It doesn't want to accelerate. I don't know. It's just Beamer stuff. Let me guess. M54?
Yeah.
That's what I kind of figured. Yeah, so I don't know what I can do, but.
Well, I got a shop about half a mile from here. If you can limp it that way, maybe we can look at it.
Let's do it. All right, I'll just follow you then.
Sure, let's do it.
Thanks, bro. Dude, that's kind of crazy. Look at this Beamer. Dude, that was so nice of him. Like, the fact that there's like an E90 over here, like 3 hours away from home in the middle of nowhere.
Dude, that's so lucky.
That's super cool.
This guy just came out of nowhere.
Dude, welcome to the shop, man.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
My M5?
That's your M5?
Yeah, E60, bro, V10.
Dude, obviously it's your M5. We made it, y'all. 3.5 hours to meet up with the legend himself. Beagle Barrels. This collab had to happen. I'm so thankful he let me to his shop. And we're gonna do that special exhaust in my car. But first of all, show us around.
Sure.
He's got the craziest BMWs out there.
We'll start with the E60 M5, which is probably arguably the most popular car in the channel because it's a piece of shit. I'm gonna just be real.
We gotta pop the hood. I wanna see that.
You want to see straight? You want to jump straight to the juiciness then?
I need to see it. I gotta see it in person.
What do you think, bro?
Dude, this thing is nuts. So there's a V10 right there. It tells you.
Yeah,
Bam.
V10. I made sure to put it there. So I got a one-piece plenum from Infinity Design and the CSL style inlets with the intakes. You combine that with the FI exhaust that this car is running, and bro, it sounds mental. You gotta hear it.
Start up. We gotta hear it. Let's go. Bro, what? Never mind. That's the world's best selling BMW. Bro.
It don't sound like a regular fast.
Oh, it doesn't sound like a regular Beamer. I love that. And we're not yet stopping there. If you thought that V10 was incredible, check out this next build.
So it's Doc
That's
Race,
crazy.
top mount 6466. Has port inject for black market parts, the VTT valve cover, VTT catch cans. I got some carbon aesthetics, you know, just to give it some eye candy, the Dresso bolts. When I dynoed it last time, I had the on 3 kit. It made 691 to the wheels. So
That's crazy.
I don't know what it makes now, but it's fast as fuck.
Jesus Christ.
Did I blow up my car?
Wait.
I think I blew up my exhaust.
lamp or something?
Yeah, the exhaust came off.
What the heck?
Bro, wow, dude. That's crazy. Dude, you love this car. How long have you had it for?
2 years now.
Yeah. You did all this in 2 years?
2 years.
What?
So this is, the only M55 in the shop.
One of the coolest cars.
Wide body, which has been a project in itself because it was a brand new kit for this platform from SpeedTech. Big turbo. Look at that.
Dude, that's sick. What the heck?
Yeah, color matched.
All right, we gotta talk about, we're leaving the best for last. If you pan over here, bam, I'll let you talk about that car.
E85, 735 horsepower.
Dude, that's crazy.
On a stock motor,
Wow.
31 pounds of boost.
Dude, this guy's a goat, man. He brought me out here, or I came out here, and he's showing me all the exclusives.
Still work in progress though. So you guys that know me, you know I'm very
Dude,
particular.
that's so beautiful, man.
DR700 bottom mount single turbo kit, 6266. Definitely got it all.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It's a feeling.
Yeah, it's a feeling. Yeah.
That's it, that's all you guys are getting.
It's the OG car, we gotta keep it safe.
We updated the reflex tune for the core injection side.
Oh,
And it
right,
was a tester.
projection, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a tester to see if it would help with the short-term fuel trims.
POV, you drive an M54.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I think I'm just bad luck with these BMWs. Like, I just shouldn't be around them.
It's gonna be a record.
Every single BMW I get in, it breaks. With that being said, here we go. The time we've all been waiting for. Let's throw the exhaust on the car. We're putting a very special car in the lift and taking something off to put it in my car. So today we're taking the muffler section off Christian's car and putting it where?
On Danny's car?
On my car. And making it the best sounding BMW other than the Ali's diesel. That thing sounds way too good. And also, after being at a comfortable lift, this is definitely something we need for our future projects. Yup, out with the old and the quiet. Let me put that on. Wow. So be sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Dude, you're the first person other than me that has worked on this car. How do you feel about that? Amazing. But the exhaust actually did not want to fit, so Ali made it fit. And to complete everything, here is how the BMW sounds. I definitely think we went a little too far with this ambition.
That shit sounds good.
This is Kiefer from the outside. How crazy does it sound?
Dude, it sounds like gunshots for real.
Oh my gosh. What did we created a monster? You know you can zoom in and stuff, bro. Wait. Did we just get vehicle viral stalling on camera?
I didn't see. And my heart rate climbs up above 130.
I can't say that. Never mind. That's definitely gonna be cut
Why do
from
you
the
think I
video.
paused? I was like,
And I wanna help you reach it. Reach your peak. Cause you told me that you like to get dirty.
I can't even hear it in here. Like, that sounds so good.
You're dirty and I like that. When it's just fun.
Yo, so this is your newest pickup?
yeah,
What have you done to this car?
I have no idea.
It's got a couple things onto it. You know, it's got 3 turbos and stuff like that, making 1,000 horsepower.
Oh, really?
Something light. Yeah.
I thought it was stock. Looks
Nah.
great though.